Hey, what's going on, guys? Back here with my Robinhood portfolio. I'm just going to be going over my performance in the past week. Be sure to check out a video I did on some of the best ETFs to own. Didn't perform as well as I hoped it would. Probably more has to do with the YouTube search algorithm. But be sure to check that out. I'll leave it in the description. So as you can see here in the past day, I was up almost $80. There's a lot of optimism in the market right now. Definitely a good time to be in it. Past month, been doing very well. Up almost 5%. In the last 3 months, up almost 11%. Almost $860. So definitely can't complain about that. Let's just get into some of the stocks in the portfolio. First one, AbbVie. As you can see, it's been doing a little bit better than normal. Past week up almost 5%, still very down on this position. I bought it at some of the all-time highs, but still believe in this biopharmaceutical company in the long run. Also pays a very nice dividend while I wait. Starbucks, this is a stock I want to add more shares into. Right now it is a little overvalued for me, but as you can see, it's been doing very well just in the past and hope that trend continues. JPMorgan Chase, one of the biggest banks in the world. It's over $300 billion market cap. Last 3 months up almost 7%. FedEx, one of the other stocks I bought in. I thought I was buying in at a dip, but it continued to fall, which is normal, but in the long run, I believe in this transportation company, but I'm not looking to add any more shares currently. So we also have Otter Tails, a utilities company, or a holding company which engages in the energy, infrastructure, and production businesses. So also has provided a very solid return in the last year. Not a company that too many people own, and might buy more shares eventually. Boeing, now this is a stock that has been all over the news in the past couple of weeks. As you can see, in the last 3 months, it's still up almost 20%, but last month alone, it's down 30 points. Still has a very great track record, and until they find out the results of why these airplanes crashed, I do think their stock will continue to go down. But like I said in my Boeing stock analysis video, the aerospace industry is very hard to get into, and that is an advantage for Boeing. We have Pepsi here. I am thinking about selling my share of Coca-Cola and buying more Pepsi. 3M, a conglomerate company here, also has done very well over the last 5 years. I'm up on this position. Also a dividend king, I believe. 50 straight years of dividend increases. It's definitely a great long-term stock. UNH, I bought this on a recent dip and am back to being up on this position. I was down on it, I think, at the beginning of the week, and already it's continued to march right back up when there was that short-term friction about the U.S. healthcare system moving to a single-payer one, but that is unlikely. We have Southern, which is up quite a lot, actually, for a stock that is a company that's pretty boring. Southern has been doing quite well the last year. Definitely can't complain. Up almost 20%, plus its 5% dividend. May look to add more to Southern soon. Verizon, the biggest telecommunications companies in the world, is up 7% in the last week. Microsoft, one of my favorite companies, just continues to go up and up almost $100 on this. As we all know, we need to use Microsoft for a lot of our daily functions. If you work a desk job or even just on your own personal computer. MPW, want to add more real estate shares, and MPW is a great one to have, up almost 10% in the last 3 months. Been doing very well these past couple of years. Pays a pretty sick dividend too of almost a little over 6%. Iron Mountain, which is one of the few stocks I am trying to get rid of. Probably wait a little bit, but will not be adding anything to that in the long term. ExxonMobil, another dividend aristocrat. Just one share at $80. Made a slight return on that. Pays a pretty solid dividend and is known to increase. And then the last stock that you guys know I own that I have shared is MasterCard, which I recently just bought. It's been doing very well, as you can see, throughout the years, and I hope to add way more because I just love this particular business segment that it is in. I'm already up $10 on this, so definitely not complaining. I do plan on making more videos this week on more stocks that I own and continue to share the portfolio. So be sure to comment what you guys liked and what you guys want to see, and it really helps out this channel, and I love all the feedback that you guys have been giving me. Best of luck with this upcoming week here. Thanks, guys.